Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen. Today let's make the very tasty soft Mysorepak. For that I have taken the 1 bowl full besan flour, in other words chana dal flour. Let us sift this with adding some baking soda, half spoon baking soda. Let us add the half spoon baking soda. Let us sift it. Now let us take it in the bowl. Come on, let's begin the process. I have already switched on the stove. I kept the griddle on the tawa on the stove. Let us add the sugar, 2 bowls, because we have taken 1 bowl full besan atta. So for that we have to take 2 bowl full. 1 bowl I have already tawa. Now I am going to add the second one. Half cup water to make the syrup. Let us mix well, very well. Syrup become one string consistency. We have to cook. Meanwhile, let us do the other process. That is, we have to take the oil in the kadai. The same measurement, the bowl in which the flour we have taken, in the same bowl we have to take the 2 bowl full ghee and oil mixed both. Half cup oil, half cup ghee, pure ghee. This syrup is getting ready. Let us add the another cup full oil and ghee mixed both. That means 2 bowls full oil, 2 bowls full sugar for 1 cup besan flour. That is the quantity to make the Mysorepak. Let us do. Before that, one small request. Before continuing the process, a small request. Whoever not a subscriber my channel, please subscribe for her, and you will be the first viewer of my uploads. Click the like button, press the bell icon, share with your friends and relatives. Let us stir it well till it become the 1 string consistency. The syrup should be 1 string consistency. Till then, we have to stir occasionally, then and then. Meanwhile, till our syrup get ready, let us grease the tray with pure ghee. Grease it well, 4 sides. In this one, we are going to pour the Mysorepak. Now our syrup is ready. See the consistency of the syrup. Now let us add the besan flour slowly, little by little. We have to stir well, otherwise there is a chance of breaking the lumps. We have to avoid the lumps. Slowly we have to mix well. Let us stir consistency continuously, otherwise there is chance of burning. Let us add the oil halfway into. Now we have to stir well continuously. Let us pour the rest of the oil and stir well continuously so that we can avoid the burning. See the texture and glaze of the Mysorepak. Let us stir well. Now our Mysorepak is ready. See the structure and the glaze of this Mysorepak. It is already done. Now we have to transfer into tray in which we have to leave for the nesting seed. Let us come on to that one. Let us pour. Now we have to leave for cooling state for half an hour. When it is a little hot, we have to cut. Let us wait 2 minutes. Then we can cut accordingly our melon wish shape. Now let us make the pieces when it is a little hot itself. Let us make the pieces. Then we have to leave for at least half an hour for cooling sake. Then only we have to take into another plate to serve on it. Let us leave this for cooling sake at least half an hour. Come on, let's check now. Let us take out one piece from the tray. See how softly, how nicely, how easily it comes up. See how soft this one. If you like the way how I made, don't forget to subscribe my channel, click the like button, press the bell icon, share it with friends and relatives. Till the next upload, take care of yourself. Have a nice time.
Bye bye, Jai Hind. Allah Hafiz.